So what we're looking at here right now is the 2022 Nissan Frontier. This is really the first new Frontier since 2005. So that's a very long gestation period. So what has really changed? Well, the big news is the powertrain. This is now the most powerful V6 in this midsize segment with 281 pound-feet of torque and 310 horsepower. The other thing too is we are now pushing that power through a 9-speed transmission up from 5. However, we're still on the same frame as the old truck. And even though the sheet metal has been massaged, they've updated the interior, new electronics, infotainment system, it's not that different. The basics, the running gear, they left them alone. Is that a bad thing? I don't think so. What we're looking at here today is the PRO-4X model. So this is the off-roady model. And what it does with 4 high, 4 low, and a rear locker, it still does very well. Skid plates, Bilstein shocks, and that it seems to be the market that Nissan is trying to go after. They don't want to be all things to all people. This is definitely a lower volume seller. However, one of the cool things for Canadians is that we get one special model. The PRO-4X is by far their best seller. However, they have it in crew cab and they also have it in king cab. However, in Canada, we like the king cab with the PRO-4X. They're not getting that in the States. Apparently, they don't order that. What that does for you is just a little bit shorter of a truck, probably better off-road. And from what I've seen today on my drive out here in Quebec, up in the Gatineau Hills, this performs as well, certainly, as it ever did, and better in a lot of circumstances. If you're in that market, get out there, have a look. It's been a long time coming. 2022 Frontier. This is a great addition to the Nissan lineup.